Experienced real estate investors don't use conventional mortgages to scale their portfolios. They use DSCR loans. And once you understand why, you'll see why this is one of the most important financing tools in real estate investing today. DSCR stands for Debt Service Coverage Ratio. It's a non-qualified mortgage that qualifies you based entirely on the property's rental income, not your personal income. No tax returns, no W-2s, no employment verification. The lender runs one calculation: does the rent cover the debt? That's it. You're evaluated as an investor, not as an employee. Here's how the ratio works. Divide the gross monthly rental income by the total monthly debt service, principal, interest, taxes, insurance, and HOA combined. Real example: $2,800 monthly rent. Mortgage $1,450. Taxes $320. Insurance $110. No HOA. Total debt service $1,880. $2,800 divided by $1,880 equals 1.49. A 1.49 ratio. The property generates 49% more income than it costs to carry. Most lenders want 1.25 minimum. A 1.0 is break even. Below 1.0 means the deal doesn't support itself, and that's a deal most lenders will decline. What do you need? 20 to 25% down, standard across most lenders. A credit score of at least 620, though 700 or above is where you get meaningful rate improvements. These loans do carry higher interest rates than conventional mortgages, so the stronger your credit and the cleaner the deal, the better the terms you'll negotiate. On the question of zero down, it exists, but only through cross-collateralization. If you own another property with equity, some portfolio lenders will use that equity as the down payment on a new acquisition. It's one of the ways sophisticated investors keep recycling capital. Without existing equity, 20 to 25% is your baseline. Here's why this loan is so valuable for portfolio growth: there is no limit on how many properties you can finance with it. Conventional loans cap out after 10 mortgages. DSCR doesn't have that ceiling. You can also hold properties under an LLC, which matters for liability and tax structuring. The trade-offs are the higher rate, the down payment requirement, and prepayment penalties, so underwrite accordingly and plan your hold period. DSCR loans shift the conversation from how much do you earn to how well does this property perform. That's the right question for investors. If you have questions about a DSCR loan, please call me anytime. Matt Walsh 561-886-8456.